Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting SAT question. If a is equal to 5 root 2 and 2a is equal to root of 2x, what is the value of x? So what you need to do is just substitute the value of a into the second equation, that is 2a, which is the same as 2 into 5 root 2 is equal to root of 2x. The next thing is just to square both sides of this equation. So 2 squared is 4 times 5 squared, which is 25, times root 2, which is 2, is equal to this square, and the root sign will cancel, so that we're left with 2x. So here you have 4 times 25 times 2, which is equal to 200. So 200 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2, so that x is equal to 100. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.